I'm on. Okay. Hey guys, this is where I work, and I know you've probably been wondering what I do out here all the time, so I'm making this video to show you. This is the Grand Staircase Escalante Canyon.
There's Charlotte! Russian olive!
This is a Russian olive tree. Okay, as you can see, it's really gnarly. There's lots of sticks and thorns. It's gross. So, alright, this is a chainsaw. Steel, 262. I have it taken apart so you can see. This is the clutch drum. Sprocket. You can't really see it, but this little guy right here is the E-clip, which holds the whole mechanism of the saw together, which is why I have this tattoo. And so first I'm just going to put the chain back on. Gloves. Always wear gloves. They're part of your personal protective equipment. This is a bar with a chain on it. It's a 20-inch bar. The chain has 72 links. This goes right on here. I'm going to show them, Elena. This is what it looks like. Then we have the face plate. The face plate goes on the front to hold everything on. And we use this tool, it's called a scrunch. It's got a socket wrench on one side and a screwdriver on the other side. Tree falling. There's a tree falling over there.
Boom! Done.
And these are bar nuts. They're very important. They hold everything on. Always tighten your bar nuts. Otherwise, you might have a problem. You also want to make sure your chain is the right tension. Right now, my chain is a little loose, so I'm just going to tighten it. What? Close. Tighten it a little bit. Pretty good. Always tighten your bar nuts. Okay, scrunch goes in your pocket for easy access. And before I start, I want to make sure that I have everything on that I need. Chaps, eye pro, ear pro, earplugs, you know, so you don't go deaf. I hate this part, by the way. It's the worst part. It hurt my ears. Also, we have a hard hat. Goes on. Gloves, again. And I'm going to start the saw. This is the chain brake off. Always make sure the chain brake is on when you're starting the saw. You also want to tell people. Elena just needs to put in her earplugs. So
1 second.
Brief pause. Alright, so, well, let's just walk over here for a second. This is the tree that I'm going to cut down. This is the tree that I'm going to cut down. Elena's standing right where the tree's going to fall, so she probably should move at some point. This is the last pile right here, where we put all the shit that we don't want.